Hey y'all, we're making tacos tonight. Got 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm gonna let that get started cooking, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some of Hal's Mexican Fiesta in it. And I already know that y'all are gonna ask if it's spicy. It's a little spicy, but it's not overwhelming. Just don't use as much if you don't want something too spicy. Or you can use a taco seasoning packet and just add a little bit of this to it. But I'm gonna do a lot. I remembered I had these soft tortilla bowls, and then I have some taco shells. We also probably have some tortilla chips. So we're covered in that department. While I wait for the meat, I'm gonna do the cheese and the lettuce. Got this from Walmart. This is just my salad spinner. Salad spinner, is that what you call this? It helps get your lettuce dry after you wash it. I don't know if this lettuce is any good. I've had it in the refrigerator for a while. A small head of lettuce. I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole thing because it needs to be used. Now I'm just shredding up some cheese. I like to use sharp cheddar cheese, and the Great Value kind from Walmart is far better than any other kind of shredded cheese. Just saying. Hello. Caden just got done with his homework and he's taking the trash out for me. Now we dry the lettuce. Look how much water. It works. And we got our cheese, our lettuce. I don't have any tomatoes, it's fine. And we got some Taco Bell sauce and some Texas Pete hot sauce and some sour cream. I think that's it. Caden likes to squeeze the lime on his. I think most of the time people do that probably on like shrimp tacos or something, but hey, lime makes everything better. Caden's gonna go first. He said he wants to use one of these taco bowls. So you want sour cream? No. You don't eat sour cream on your taco? What's wrong with you? He went over there to get some meat. We didn't bring it. Here, you can bring it over. Here we go. Good. Hot shoes. Show a dish. I can't open it. Yeah. Trick. Loosens the top. Man, that's not right. I do it with pickle jars all the time. How do you come on? Got some lime. Did it come out? Barely, but it'll work. You want me to do it? What's wrong with Mama?
That's my taco.
So you're not putting lettuce on there?
No. I'm probably gonna make a second one, then I'll probably put lettuce on it. But
They want to see an actual taco plate.
fine, I'll put some lettuce on it.
I'll show them how to make a real taco.
I got some lettuce.
No sour cream. Almost didn't get no lettuce. Whose child are you? Oh, I might need to. I'm gonna try these too. I hadn't never tried them in a bowl. Last time I tried them in the little taco shell cup things that Haley bought for us.
I just took my first bite. It wasn't on camera, but it was really good.
We're gonna do it right. We got cheese and
Why you gotta be so mean to me?
hot sauce. I don't feel want no Taco Bell mild sauce. I want it spicy. Now the meat's already spicy. I put a lot of Hal's stuff in it. I'll try it with the lime too. Sour cream. I do wish I had the sour cream squeeze thing, but we used it all. Let's give it a try. Okay. I love the taco bowls. I love it. If you've never tried Hal's Mexican Fiesta, you definitely need to try it. It's a 10 out of 10. And I love you. Stay classy.